Hey, comic book community, comic book fans, comic book fam. Welcome back to What's in the Box. Today, we have another mystery box for What's in the Box. The Comic Tom 101 Mystery Mail Call. So let's open it up and let's see what's in there. Alright, so I got it open. Let's see what's in here. I love that it comes packaged in a plastic bag, elements and rains. So I love when my comics don't arrive soggy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, sweet. So Greg Capullo cover here. Dark Knights Metal, number 3 of 6. Scott Snyder, Greg Capullo, that's the Torpedo Comics exclusive. Alright, what else we got? Livewire, number 9. This is the pre-order edition, so it's a variant. Another X-Men number 1 to add to the collection. I love me some classic Transformers. Transformers number 18. We got here little Captain America number 268. It doesn't like a little cap, especially some bronze cap. And the Comic Tom mystery box exclusive Ghutt Ghost number 1. I believe this is a Mignola cover. It is a Mignola cover. And right here, Comic Tom has his first little cover appearance. So the cover appearance by Comic Tom right here, first ever appearance. Along with that, got a nice little Spawn print, a little postcard, Squirrel Girl. And this is the April mystery mail call. So that's what I got in the box, mystery mail call, Comic Tom 101. And as always, comic fam, stay safe, do what you do. I'ma do what I do. Let's have some fun. And got a little postcard. Squirrel girl.